Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable replace notifications on your app, on your MarketCoins app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here above this photo, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on push notifications here. So then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So then you come here to replace, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here replace notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.